5 to go. Still lined up tight by half up the front. Hold the brake. Hold the brake. Hold the brake. How are you? You alright? Good, let me know if Preece is alright. Check up, they're down on the grass. Stay on the track.
Back 62, top line preferred. Keep digging. Keep digging.
Damn. What a fucking wreck. Wow. Yeah, pretty brutal. Why you haven't heard from me? I was trying to make sure he's still alive. Golly. Did he get out? Yeah, he's too fucking tough to do anything but. God, I don't know how. That is by far the most violent I've seen a car flip in a long time. Put the top light to 6 inches. Push. Back to W. Downside corner. Downside corner, both things you know. Downside. I'm walking up right now. 6 inches more back up. Over. Deep breath. I'll tell you what you can. I think I'll look at you. Yeah, deep breath. Deep breath. You can't get your wind in it now. Take the breath. Right here, there you go. Coming to you. Hit the flat, still packed in front of you, Watch for slides behind you. Wreck in here, check up, big rack, check up. You're good here, big rack, just get it back straight. Still good here. Once you get it fired back up, you can roll it. I'm stuck. My right front blew. I need a push or a tow or something.
Can you go in reverse? Almost. Can you drag the tire?
Yeah, let me try. I'm stuck. I've got no damage. I just need a tow. Fuck. Stupid. Is this a tow truck or what behind me?
Yeah, it's a tow truck. Yeah.
Then what the fuck are they doing? They said they can't push me. Well, then back the motherfucker up and drive around to the front of my car, back up, hook it up, and let's go. Is it red? Is that why they won't do anything?
It's red flag, but I think they can still tow you back. Get his attention, Kyle. I'm doing everything I can over here, but trying to get that guy's attention.
I'm starting to get fire again. Get moving to get some air out of here.
That's 10-4.
Brad, it says we're on fire.
Where? Trying to put it out.
I think it's starting to go away.
Fire truck's almost to you, Brad, so stop right there.
Stop, and they're going to call my race. I don't see a fire anymore.
Okay. Yeah, you'll see that safety truck coming to you right there in front of you now.
Use your binoculars if you can. Let's see if it's still on fire. I think it's out.
I don't see anything, Brad. You look okay. Just park in front of that 48 and them again so I can tell me.
Smells really bad here, but I think it's out.
Brad's on fire.
Well, that's interesting.
Looks like he's racing a quarter midget.
I mean, that is kind of comical right there.
What are we doing?
His buns got too hot.
This is unbelievable.
The 6 looks like my dog when he has the zoomies. He's out here just driving in a circle. I have never seen anything like this. Always something new.
What the hell is the 6 doing?
I guess he's on fire. Looks like that old commercial where they had like the radio control cars.
Oh, yeah. What the fuck?
Celebrating the stage win.
Say again?
He's celebrating the stage win.
I'm a half car. What's Brad doing? like just driving around in circles. Literally. Donuts without the cool factor. He's on his fifth turn, like.
He thinks his car is on fire.
I've never seen this before.
The 6 is on fire.
Yeah, we're yelling at TJ.
Oh, I mean, I'm sure he knows. He's out here cutting laps on the old short track.
Oh.
That's why we need to have our cell phones in our cars to make a great Instagram story post. People would love it.
Yeah, but Julianne can't ride with you to do your posts. Look like when someone falls off a jet ski and it just kind of goes on its own.
The 6 car is on fire.
Like big fire or small fire?
I don't know, he's running in circles. But I can see some smoke inside his cockpit. I think he's on fire. He's literally running circles on my left. They're not showing it on TV, but SMP, really funny. Yeah, he's running circles. I think it's actually working. Whatever he's doing is working.
Alright, you have 2 out there. Bottom first. Bottom first. Forward's clear in your mirror. Watch it slip you. He might slip high and exit. Just keep an eye on him here. Yep, that's the right side a little bit. He's in line. Diving to the bottom here. Inside the 4. Here comes the 10 to help. Make sure he stays in line. 10, 22 with you. Watch the middle. Here he comes. Fine. In line with you. Working the bottom of 10. Still down there. Bumper, you're clear. Don't get too far out here. 1 back on the bottom. They got help. Half back. Looking at you know they come apart. Help up top with the 10. 10, 22 up top. They're not pushing though. Here they are. Big push here. Big push. Big push. Big push here. Both lanes coming on the bottom as well. 1 half back on the bottom. Half 1 back on both lanes. Both lanes. They're coming to the checker. They're both apart in your mirror. Top's going to be close on exits. They're not pushing at all in your mirror. Not pushing at all in your mirror. Coming to you in your mirror. All good. They're 3 wide in your mirror. No threat. No threat. No threat. You're good. High side.